Hey, hi friends. Welcome back to DIYs with Nosh. Today I'm participating in the Thrift Flip Thursday, hosted by Shayna Robinson Repurposing and co-hosted by Savvy Crafts with Savannah. So my first project is pretty straightforward. I picked up these baskets from a thrift store and decided to give it a slightly modern twist. They were placed on my mantle, but I didn't quite like it. So I've just taped it up and I'm going to give it geometrical shapes. I'm going to give opposite sides for both the baskets. So I've taped it up and now I'm going to spray paint it. I chose white. It was pretty straightforward and luckily enough we had some sun, so it just made the drying process very easy. I don't know about you, but I love visiting thrift stores. We have quite a few in the area we are staying in, and it's if you're lucky, you could really kind of bump into some really remarkable finds over there. It's like, treasures just waiting to be found. But I think because of COVID and the subsequent lockdown, everything was just kind of closed over here. I was lucky because I bumped into these two. I think they're IKEA baskets, and I think I picked them up for next to nothing, maybe $1 or so. So yeah, they're wicker, so they can really kind of absorb a whole lot of paint. So I painted them both sides up and down, and I think this is the best part of any of these um, projects, the reveal, where you get to remove the tape and that beautiful feeling of seeing what's left behind. So this one has um, triangular shape coming upwards, and the other one has a triangular shape going downwards. Voila! That's how simple it was. There you go. This, of course, was really a quick and easy project, and I'm sure you can try it with any of your bigger baskets, not necessarily just square ones. But of course, my next project was quite a challenge. It was, yeah, it was the not so straight journey from that to this. um, this is what I'd like to call a crafter's block. I have this beautiful um, vase, and I'm not really sure. I have tried so many things, starting with the obvious baking soda and white acrylic paint with a little bit of glue technique. I mean, this is one vase which by the end of it, you'll see it has seen so many colors and so many techniques and so many textures. But that's exactly how it is. This is the reality of most of us crafters. It's not like we figured out everything. It's like the whole journey is all about exploring mediums and various various textures and colors, and that's what it's about. So I started off with white, and here, look, I'm even giving it a a texture. I thought maybe at the top part, the nozzle part, I might, might the neck part. Sorry, I might want to give it a dab effect, and I decided against it later on. So I've just brushed it. And there's going to be a lot of that in this video, so you better be prepared for that if you want to watch till the end. Look how sweet and I don't know, it looks so perfect as white. But somewhere there, again, I felt like going for some decoupage, and I found these Dollar Tree napkins, tissues, and decided to try off the decoupage on this. But we'll see. Yeah, it does look pretty, doesn't it? So anyway, I've applied the decoupage glue, and somewhere didn't feel I was comfortable, so I gave it another coat of white, and I thought I'm going to give it the Mackenzie Childs effect with these squares and whatnot, the checks. Nope, didn't like it. Went back and gave it a coat of black, and somewhere I decided why not give it a pottery kind of um, effect, make it look handmade. And I went and referred to some clay, air dry clay, made some half circles, and placed it on the neck. Yeah. Do you think this would be the final look? Okay, so if you've seen the thumbnail, then you know that this is not the final look. Well, it is not the final look. So anyway, now I'm cleaning it up because there was a whole lot of white powder over there. I think that was maybe from the decoupage, I'm not sure. Anyway, so yeah, there it is, looking very pretty, but of course not satisfied. So I got a hold of these neutral colors, and as you can see, I've got a large selection of those. Wanted to give a neutral color, as in a sand color. There goes a little bit of baking powder as well. And let's see. Oh, that looks lovely, doesn't it? Yep, that looks lovely. But do you think that is where I'm going to stop? Well, I think you don't know me too well if you think that's where I'm going to stop. So anyway, let's see. Actually, even the black and the sand is looking pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to. I don't know. When it dried, it didn't really look all that appealing. And sometimes what also tends to happen is we tend to wait for so long uh, that your mood tends to change, vary, and so do your interest in the colors. So it's like color of the day sort of a thing. So we went back to this beautiful gray. Absolutely loved it. And I have no idea why, but I wanted to again change it to a pottery color. So I mixed some orange with a little bit of red, and I came up with this shade for the pottery color. And by now, have you counted how many colors I've done? Okay, no prizes for guessing how many colors I did, but so you know that the process was not all that smooth. Yeah, but I was enjoying myself, so that was good. Right. So what started off as a glass vase or vase is now, yeah, this was the second coat. This was the second coat. Here I had added also a tinge of purple to give it a stronger or a deeper pottery color. And yeah, I think now I'm happy with it, with the final look. And there you have it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate your comments as well.